Hello and thanks for tuning into this video. Before we get started, this was filmed in a private location that we hired out for the weekend. One of the boys in the group is getting married soon, so it was a weekend for him to let the hair down, so to speak. A few mates having a good time. So we picked up this old Jeep Cherokee, been sitting on a farm for a number of years, chucked some very old mud tyres on it and began to put it around a few of these courses on this property, which in the past has been used for winch challenges. What better fun than to send a stock standard vehicle around some challenging tracks. The old Jeep Cherokee didn't disappoint. Stick around.
Yes! Look at that. Yeah, good. Stay on there. That is a good snug fit. It's actually quite tricky to...
I could probably just stay in there, to be honest.
Righto, first casualty. They're having trouble with these old tyres. Oh, Kumo for the win. Not really. Whose window's down?
Drive forward, Flint. Yep. Go forward.
Yeah, just hop back out of the way, Flint. Shit's going to start flying, he's going to back up. Look out, Tim. you had a front locker, you would have got that. The front end let you down then. Where are these boys in the Jeep? A little bit more. Didn't sound good. Nail it! helps when you put it in four-wheel drive, eh? First week casualty with the Jeep. We're starting to shred about. Thing's been sitting for a couple of years, so it's probably a bit perished. Right, we're going to get another one. Bit of a bunty through there, you'll do it. Actually, yeah, I don't know, I think the Jeep could have a go at that.
That's good.
Well, watch Dave. You won't be able to back out of it probably.
Won't be able to.
I don't know. You won't know till you give it a go.
Automatically like hard left hand down. Oh, what's that? Yeah, do a hard left hand down.
You could just about straddle that hole if you could get over a bit more. Now
Go forward at all.
go up, right hand down.
Go right hand down.
Yep, do that again. Come back and up.
Pull left hand down, go back a bit. Stop. Right hand down and forward.
Big digger hole, we're trying to straddle it.
Yeah, right. Go straight back there.
My truck is parked over there, so don't give it too much when you come over.
That'll be alright down there.
No, he almost had it, now he's way off again.
There's a lot of traction in that
Left
course.
hand down and go for it.
Well, just beware that Dave's truck's in front on the other side of that course.
That's the hole.
I'm flexed out
Go
now.
back, you'll be right. Just go back.
Just go back quietly.
Very slowly. That's it. There you go, get down there.
Oh, well, that's hard case, it actually flexed through it. Now straight up there, mate. Look out, Dave. What you can do with a standard XJ. That was a big hole. Not too sure about the driver or what the driver's wearing.
Back off the wrong side.
It's alright, just back. Here, try there. No. Yeah, a little bit of a run up, you'll get it. No traction there.
Find some somewhere.
Go a bit more to your left, if you you can.
Like right.
There's quite a wee knob there, but you might get it if you... If you stay on top of those mounds, you might get it rather than in the rut there.
Just fix it out just a little bit too much.
Take the full left-hand line.
Just hitting the diff. Try one more time.
Yes, I knew it would get up there. You just got to keep trying. There, Zook. Come on, Zook. It'll just walk up there. You got the clearance. It'll just wade through there, no problem. Got your rear locker in? Just try and straddle those ruts if you can. Yeah, I knew it would be a piece of cake for the wee Zeke. Winch comp track. Even catches the bloody big boys out.
That's what caught Flynn out last
Yeah,
night.
we got
that
in.
Big hole there.
Yeah, we got stuck down in that big hole last night, so he's going to come and have another go and see if we can get the Zook up here without a winch. There's actually quite a steep wee drop in here. Get out of the way. This is where wheelbase means everything. Not heavy. Want to slide in the hole. Alright, you've lined up, now you got to give it a good old hot hit.
You love that hole, don't you?
He's back in the hole.
Yeah. Hey, be right.
Hey, wheelbase. Oh, we're opting for the winch again. Just back the Jeep up, and you got it winch where you want it.
case here you have one vehicle just ate that up and the next one no good at all. Oh, we didn't put the hook back on. Yeah, grab the hook, Dave. Right, here comes Dave in the Hilux, and I reckon he'll eat it up. He's got a bit of weight and a bit of wheelbase. It helps a lot in some places, and some places it doesn't. Tight we turn there, in amongst the trees. Nice and shady in here out of the sun.
So the camera doesn't show just really how steep this little section is, and what you're about to see caught everyone off guard as the two vehicles beforehand come around here, really come around here quite easily. But yeah, just watch, see what happens.
He's hard against the tree there. Oh, we've got a wheel off. Woo! Wheel's still off.
Can we?
Righto. So we now have a predicament. The truck is upside down in a hole. So we're going to clean some trees out to roll it downhill rather than uphill. Caught us out. So bear with us. We'll knock some trees down. Zook versus Rock.
Ah, get in.
I seen that. His back wheels just come off the ground. We've got some smaller rocks we can chuck in there.
Yeah, I'll stick it back in there now, Martin. That's it. Hold it up. Hold it.
Righto.
Right, we need that rope extension.
Well, we'll see what happens when he backs out.
Righto, let that off, Jake.
Whoa, other way.
Yeah.
Let it off.
Yeah.
That's it. How's the weight of that?
That's fine.
Is it sort of sitting there?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
Righto.
but you're going to need a winch to flip that over.
So now we need to just dig this knob of dirt out and like he said, winch off this tree here
Yeah, if you can get.
and topple it and just topple it.
You can get that under.
Right, you're going to have to go down to another tree. Go a bit lower to the next big tree.
Eric.
So do we want my winch on this side to steady him over? Is that the idea, Shane?
Right, that's in gear. I think we're all ready now.
Do you reckon it's worth... No, don't worry.
Righto, tell me when, mate.
Yep, off you go.
Right, the pressure's on. We have some movement. Just watch those logs, Dave. The idea was
Gonna follow my wing maroon.
the idea was to have those logs, the frame to sit on those logs.
Oh yeah.
So just keep an eye on them that they're going to work, that they're not going to move to the body.
Yeah, off you go.
Does Jake want to give it a wee pull in to give it a bit of uphill while it's rolling around on his roof?
No, it's tight.
No, that's under tension. Yeah, off you go.
Righto. Still happy?
Yeah, just keep going.
I'm going to just let that off there. We might, if it stays there on its own, we might reposition my rope. I think I'm going to run out of length.
No, you've got it in an awkward spot. No,
He means up the top.
It's not going to stay there, is it?
no, it's not going to stay there because it's halfway off the body.
I've only got about 4 metres.
Yeah, that's fine. We can pack it.
Yeah, 4 metres would be fine. You only need about 2. No, I think just leave yours as it is.
Yeah, I'm going to stand a lot away from it because there's a lot of tension on this rope now.
So that's not far off going over.
It's so nearly there.
No, wait. I think you need a bit off of this. Because that is tight.
Right,
Whoa!
This rope is tight.
it's
Right,
break.
in, go in, Lockie. In, just pull it in.
Oh, that was such a
That was
great landing.
smooth as. It's in gear, so it shouldn't.
Put out of the water yet, still in the roll.
Nice.
We've stopped moving,
That'd
yeah?
come down nice and soft.
Lovely. Half a litre. Don't stand too close.
Oh yeah. There's the oil coming out. Yeah.
Nothing gonna fall off. No,
Not
good.
good anymore. Ready?
Just in case.
Fuel's not on.
Oh, haha. That is
Just that little clip. It's right on the side of it.
4-pin plug there, whatever it is.
Got it?
Dave's handiwork with building the frame around the Hilux really paid off. The only real damage is a broken windscreen. So now we're a bit shy on the hills, we head down to the flats.
fan pushing water out from the bonnet.
Right, oh, look at this sludge.
Cleaning the hole out, mate. That's what you call a mud bath. You'll be able to back out of it again, can't you? Or maybe not. You can't, Jake, you can't bring your right hand wheel out at this point here, can you? Go back and just try sneaking out the side. Yeah, it's quite deep. Yeah. Get a rope on him. Get your rope on. It's time that the Jeep pulled someone out. You were sitting in it.
None of my hormones are in. Completely forgot about that.
I can see the tide line. That's the tide line on the seat. Oh yeah. It's got the new beige mud coloured carpet. pretty sure this was an old bridge.
Used to be a bridge.
He's busted. He's still pouring out water there, old chap. This fella likes getting in the mud deep.
There you go.
Try and look for a bit of virgin ground. I think that's as far as you're getting.
Needs a front locker so bad. Clutch cable on that thing. Just about using all of my leg strength. Well, there's a lot of loose stuff in this.
What's the slime underneath it? What is that? Slime. You've been slimed, mate. Oh. Stuck in there. You line up because you're going to have to tow him out of there.
Got a rope on already.
Go, hey, go further back. You're going to need all of it, mate.
All of it.
No, it's all soft, but you won't get through. Well, he fucking did. Excuse me, he did. I don't know whether that.
Should be. Just some more of those.
That was close. Where are you going? I don't know, mate. What sort of a line was that?
That was a terrible one.
That was a terrible line. Oh, the bonus line.
Oh,
With a capital B.
One shot.
Piece of cake. You would never do that in the wet, eh? That's so close. Not too aggressive now. Don't get too aggressive.
Well, literally, totally headed for that.
That was the wee bounce. Something, I think it might be a shock or something. Well, that's what the banging is. Close.
Almost. Okay. Your front diff isn't hitting. Your front diff's not hitting. Just rear diff is though. Oh, it's belly.
You're fully bellied. You're right there. Not to forget, he's stock standard on little tyres. That is so close.
The only thing I can do is pump the front up there.
Yeah,
Try it again.
try it again. That's it. Needs to come over to the left a wee bit more. Wow, that was, that was unexpected, wasn't it?
Keep going. Just go straight back there. Otherwise you'll be too far that way. Yeah, that's it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah.
Got the locker in?
Huh?
Locker's in? Well, it did it.
Did it?
Yes, it did it.
I was waiting for a bang from the CV. You see the front like popping and dangling, like grabbing and releasing.
Hang on.
Ready?
That's called a panel delete.
Don't put it back in, we're doing weight reduction.
No, you might. Oh, mate. You're going up here. Well, that's what we hope. Going up backwards. So you're going to be bashing a new track by the look of it.
Well, reopening.
To the left.
We're up here just here. Bing.
Hey, Dave, the track's open for you.
Cheers, Lucky. Yeah, we drive them completely blind. Still plenty of tread left.
It's getting a bit warm.
Yeah.
Pizza toppings.
It's only one.
It's only go, truck behind you.
I'm moving the truck. I thought you were going all there.
The bumper's smoking. The bumper's smoking. Hey, hang on. Oh, the inside is whoa. That's the cat converter glowing. Just got that on camera.
It's like a gateway to hell under there.
My RC control selects about as much as you can get from that.
At this part of the video, if you're still watching, thank you. Leave a comment and a like, it helps for the channel to grow. And again, this video probably isn't what we normally post, but it's just one of those ones for family and friends. They're going to be able to look back on in the future with some good times had. So once again, thanks for watching.
Very hard work, mate. Needs a motor on it.
Looks like it's dropped in the back suspension even more now.
Oh yeah.